So, as I mentioned, the most important part of this process is care of self, is is that self identity. And to me, this means that the ultimate part of this, or the important part of this, is getting to that self identity. So, knowing who we are is of prime importance. And for me, the way I start each day is when I wake up, I'm saying to my Unihipili, to my child, I love you. Thank you for being here. And our child feels very unappreciated, feels very neglected, feels very much like we take care of everything else but not ourselves. So that very first thing that we do in the morning by saying, I love you, thank you for being here, is really important. And as we go through our day, to keep that dialogue going, saying, I love you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being willing to be part of what we're doing today. The other thing that's really important is to talk to the child as if it was a little child and let it know what you're doing for the day. And say, okay, today we're going to go somewhere, or we're going to make this dinner, or we're going to be with these people, or we're going to drive in the car along this road. But as much detail as you can to tell the child, and ask the child, can we clean with whatever's coming up? And for a lot of us, and for me in particular, while when I was younger, I would feel just kind of tired and listless, just not feeling energized, not feeling excited about, oh, okay, what's the next thing I got to do? And that's a sign that our child is saying, I'm stressed, I'm going somewhere else. So our child might not be with us if we're feeling kind of tired and not active. That's one of the signs that our child has said, no, this is not helpful, this is not fun, I'm going somewhere else. So by telling the child what we're going to do for the day and saying, please, will you stay with me? I love you. Thank you for being here. Can we clean with whatever's going to happen today? And whatever's coming up for you, whatever emotion is okay. Can we clean with that? It's safe. I will care for you. I will be here. I love you. And over and over. And the child has no discretion. So it's not like we can do it once and then we're okay. You have to keep educating the child moment to moment. So you said, I love you 3 seconds ago. The child has forgotten because right now there's someone that's yelling or there's something happening, and the child is just wherever you are, the child is going to absorb whatever's going on, going, okay, I guess that's the way it is. If you say to yourself, oh, so stupid. Oh, how could I forget that? That was terrible. I did a bad job. Oh, I'm not looking very good today. All these things, the child goes, oh, that's me. And just feels it and suffers all the time. So here we are as the mother aspect, as the responsible part of us that is responsible for being clear. How do we deal when there's a problem? What do we do? And how do we let the child know that this is how we're going to clean, to be clear, to initiate the cleaning simply by saying, thank you, I love you, please stay with me. I'm sorry that I've abused and neglected you. I'm here now. Can we clean? Can we go together as a unit of one? Can you stay with me? Can we let go? And to try and lighten things up, So part of this job of being with the child is trying to take away some of the heaviness. Okay, we experience anger. We're really mad at someone. So rather than get swept away in this anger, you go down the road and you're mad for 3 days and you yelled at people and you've told people what they did wrong 5 times and told them what they should do right 10 times, and it goes on. Okay, so at any point we can try and lighten things up and go, okay, we're angry. Good. That means there's a memory that we can clean. Okay, thanks for showing me that. We can take care of that and we can clean. Can we let go? Yeah. All right, we can do this. And trying to lighten this feeling of overwhelm. And the child, my child, gets overwhelmed and doesn't want to do the work that has to be done, doesn't want to do the tasks that are part of what I have to do for work. And so I would make deals with, say, okay, let's just get this one thing done. We can clean and then we can go have some chocolate. She really likes chocolate or whatever it is that's a treat for you. So it's like your best friend, your child, but it's nonstop, that care. And of course we forget. So we have to keep coming back saying, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. I didn't care for you. I didn't say I love you. I didn't take care of us first. Care first of self, first, last, and always. That is so important. So when we forget, we come back. I love you. Thank you. I love